Chapter 4 Paint 3D Learning Outcomes Paint 3D Starting Paint 3D Paint 3D Window Creating 2D Shapes Creating 3D Shapes Adding Stickers Saving the drawing Opening a saved drawing Paint 3D Paint 3D is a drawing program developed by Microsoft as a part of the refreshing of the MS Paint application, which was quite older. It is an upgraded version of MS Paint, which is included in Windows 10. It is designed to be simple yet powerful to create projects by combining 2D and 3D tools. In Paint 3D, we can create and edit 3D images using different tools. It is a 3D modeling and graphic designing application that is popularly used by graphic designers and students to design and animate new modeling and printing projects. Factbot: the picture we draw in Paint is two-dimensional, 2D, whereas in Paint 3D, we can draw these shapes in three-dimensional, 3D. D specifies dimensions involved in the shape. 2D shapes are called flat shapes. 3D shapes are called solid shapes. Let us learn about this program. Starting Paint 3D. Follow the steps below to open Paint 3D. Step 1. Click on Start button. The Start menu appears. Scroll down to find Paint 3D. Step 2. Click on Paint 3D. Paint 3D welcome screen appears and displays two command options, New and Open. Step 3. Click on New option to create a new drawing. Paint 3D window. The main components of the Paint 3D window are listed below. Title bar, menu, brushes tool, 3D shapes, zoom slider, options tool, 2D shapes, brush options, drawing area or canvas, color palette. Title bar. It displays the name of the program and the name of our drawing on the top left corner. On the top right corner, there are window control buttons, that is, minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Menu. It displays options such as New, Open, Insert, Save, and Save As. Brushes tool. It displays brush options and color palette in the marker panel on the right side of the window. Brush options. It displays 10 brush options with sliders for thickness and opacity. Color palette displays the color options available, including the option to add more color and effects. 2D Shapes tool. It replaces brushes option and displays 2D shapes library with options like line and curve and 2D shapes to select from. 3D Shapes tool. It replaces the brushes options and displays options like Open 3D Library, 3D Doodle, 3D Objects, and 3D Models to select from. Options tool. It displays options such as Select, Crop, Magic Select, 3D View, and Zoom Slider. Drawing area or canvas. It is the drawing area where we can create or draw our shapes. Creating 2D shapes. Creating 2D shapes in Paint 3D is similar to the Paint. Follow the steps below to draw a 2D shape. Step 1. Click on the 2D Shapes category. We will notice that a number of 2D shapes appear on the right side panel. Step 2. Click on the desired 2D shape. Step 3. Drag the pointer in the canvas to draw the shape. The desired shape will be drawn in the drawing area as shown below. Step 4. Click on Commit button. We can change the color, background, texture of the shape and thickness of its lines. Also, we can rotate and flip the shape. Factbot. When we draw a 2D or 3D shape in the drawing area, a dotted boundary around the shape can be seen, which are called grab points. These points on the edges of the bounding box are used to change the size and proportion of the shape. This box has the following options. Rotate. Rotate handle is used to rotate the shape. Stamp handle is also called as clone tool, which creates a copy of the shape. Commit handle displays a check mark. It is for completing the shape. Creating 3D shapes. Follow the steps below to draw a 3D shape. Step 1. Click on the 3D shapes category. We will notice that a number of 3D shapes appear on the right side panel. Step 2. Click on the desired shape under the 3D objects category. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the canvas. Click and drag the pointer to draw the shape. Step 4. A 2D shape is drawn with 4 handles around the shape. Rotate the shape using the handles to see the 3D effect. The bounding box helps us to change the size and position of the objects. In this example, a cube is drawn and rotated in its 3D form. We can change the color of the 3D objects by clicking on the Edit Color button from 3D Selection panel. Factbot. We can add more colors by clicking on the Add Color button given below the color palette. We can delete an object from the project. Simply click on the object to select it. Click on the Delete button under the Edit selection in panel. Adding stickers. Paint 3D offers several stickers to add in our artwork. These stickers are used to add texture and icons in 2D or 3D drawing. Paint 3D stickers come in the form of shapes like lines, curves, squares, and stars. Traditional stickers like cloud, swirl, rainbow, and facial features and surface textures. Follow the steps below to add stickers. Step 1. Click on Stickers category. Stickers panel appears on the right side with 3 icons: Stickers, Texture, and Add Stickers. Step 2. Click on Stickers icon. All available stickers appear. Step 3. Click on the desired sticker. Step 4. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag to draw the shape. Step 5. Release the mouse button. Stickers appears on the canvas with handles around the sticker. You can rotate or make a stamp around the sticker using the handles. Step 6. Click on Commit button to apply the sticker on the canvas. Factbot. Animation and creating 3D pictures is a creative process. Walter Elias Disney was a pioneer of animation industry. Saving the drawing. Follow the steps below to save the drawing. Step 1. Click on Menu. Backstage view appears. Step 2. Click on Save option in the left pane. Step 3. In the right pane, click on Paint 3D Project button under Save in Paint 3D Project option. Step 4. The Name Your Project dialog box opens. Type a name in the name box. Step 5. Click on Save in Paint 3D button. Our project is saved. Factbot. The ability to create design with 3D modeling software can be a huge advantage for any graphic designer. It enables to create illustrations and mock-ups as well as blueprints for products and environmental design. Apart from Paint 3D, a number of software like Sketchpad and Blender are available for creating 3D objects. Opening a saved drawing. Follow the steps below to open a saved drawing. Step 1. Click on Menu. Step 2. Click on Open option in the left pane. Step 3. On the right pane, there will be 2 options: Browse Files and Saved Projects. Select the file from the Saved Projects option. Browse the file from the location where it was saved. File will open in place of blank canvas. Factbot. To close Paint 3D, click on the Close button in the top right corner of the window. SumBot. Paint 3D is a drawing program developed by Microsoft. Main components of Paint 3D window are Title bar, Menu, Drawing area or canvas, Brushes tool, 2D or 3D shapes tool, Zoom slider, Options tool, Brush options, and Color palette. We can create 2D shapes by clicking on 2D shapes category and 3D shapes by clicking on 3D shapes category from the toolbar. We can change the color in a shape by clicking on Edit Color option. We can save and open a saved file by clicking on the Menu option. Tech Bytes. 2D shape, a flat shape which only has length and breadth. 3D shape, a solid shape which has length, breadth, and height.